just say why we will read about computers. Nowadays, computer is very necessary for all the persons for that. And what is the utility of the computer? Computer actually do everything very quickly, correctly, and without any hesitation it works. For that, usage of computer is gradually increases. It has generally one or two demerits like that is very negligible. Demerit is like, but it has no IQ, intelligence quality. It cannot do without any instructions of human, and it cannot store data automatically without any human or operator, you may say. Then we can say what is computer. A computer is an electronics device which receives some binary languages like 0 and 1, you may know before. 0 and 1. 0 means off, 0 means off, 1 means on. By these two signals, computer works very quickly by process of encoding and decoding. Everything we will know later on, but now we will go through who has invented computer. Charles Babbage invented computer in the year of 1837. That is not a really computer, that was like a calculator. After that, 1945, digital computer introduced. Digital computer introduced. That means it receives all these digital signal, digital files means graphics like calculators, all the things. From that we are using gradually computer in our life. Then you may say, what is the full form of computer? Computer. C for common, O for operating, M for machine, P for purposely, U for used, for T for technological, E for educational, R for research. Computer stands for common operating machine purposely used for technical, sorry, technological, educational research. This is a computer. Commonly we may say like this: COM, port, or come to the device, electronics device. This is by the human, come to the human electronic device and put some data, put data, and or means you can get the result. This is an electronic device derived. Come to the computer, put some data and get the result. This is the computer's functions normally. And computer, we will know about hardware, computer hardware. What is the need of education of computer hardware? Computer hardware means that is called as mechanical part which you may see and touch, and there is a secondary part in computer like software. But in this case we will go through hardware. Hardware means the physical parts of the computer. Computer, what are the physical parts? First we will see CPU. Commonly you know that CPU, which is like this. CPU. Then some input devices, and output device. Output devices consist of three things. Input device, you may say generally keyboard, mouse. We will discuss about briefly when we will go through details of written theory. And output means you may say monitor, printer, or speaker, like this. There are so many hardware devices are used for CPU. What are you are going to use with consist a CPU? These are the spare parts you may say, or devices you may say. First of all, we may say motherboard. Next, second, processor. Processor, we may microprocessor, micro. Processor. Then second, third sphere is you may known as RAM. We'll go through each one by one. You may say as hard disk, which you have listened. It is a storage device. Power supply. Which is called as SMPS plus cabinet. General CPU consists of these things nowadays. We will go through all about one by one briefly. motherboard, which connect alternately connected with all the devices of the computer, connected with all the spare parts, all the parts, and we will go through our details and see what is how it is connected with all the spares. Or so other people may say motherboard, or it is called as also main board. Main boards, main means all the devices are controlled by this board, and processor is the brain of the computer. As this is my introduction class, we will not go through this all the devices thoroughly. We will go in our next classes all about the devices. Then after we will show how can we assemble and troubleshoot everything, and loading of Windows, everything. Thanks guys, as you are watching for today's, this much for today, and we will do a scheduled classes